The configure recording path could not be opened. क्या इसका सेटिंग्स है कि रिकॉर्डिंग पर that is streaming not recording. क्या इसके में यही दिक्कत है रिकॉर्डिंग्स आई मीन इसका तो ठीक है okay whatever the problem is there. What is this upcoming? अबे ये भी यही what please be connected. Okay, nice, connected. I need this thing. Okay, you can go back, come over here, do this one. Okay, and it's visible. So now I am live. Hey everyone, if you're watching this, I am live. Please keep silent. Thank you. Hey everyone, I am live. Hey everyone, I'm live. I'm live. Oh, our first chatter. I'm Groot. Welcome in, welcome in. I'm Groot. How are you doing? So, okay, I have to do, or maybe I have to set up something. Okay, let's come over here. Okay, for today's stream, let me tell you what I'm going to do, okay? So today we are about to going to learn what? Lesson number 15, okay? Okay. And that is external libraries MBC and finish the checkout page. So today, last day, if you don't remember, if you don't came here, last day we have done some checkout work. Last day we have update the update link. Okay, we have worked on the update link, and from end at the end of the stream we managed to do the work properly, and everything is working fine. Okay, so from today, and I haven't learned the lesson 15, so I'm going to learn live. Okay, and there is a problem with you. You can only watch videos. Okay, I cannot share the audios because the copyright things. I get a copyright on my last videos. So in these videos, you will only see the visuals, and I can only hear, and I can see and hear. Okay, and I will tell you everything, time to time, what is going on the video and what I have learned and what I am going to do next. Okay, and this is not like I'm gonna leave you behind. I am with you. Okay, so if you need anything, just chat. Okay, and I will answer of your questions. Okay, so the learning begins here. So first of all, okay. Okay, let me show you my screen, okay? So basically, this is my screen, and here right now, if you see, and if your focus goes to this point, like what the heck is this thing? Like DFK, like random type. And if you see, there are many files that had been modified. Like if I go to amazon.js, somebody modified here. What is this? Okay, somebody did something here. Oh, look at this. Okay. In this file, somebody messed up with this thing, like this thing, like this BDZ. What is this thing? And here also, look at this. How much, like, how much? Okay. So basically, what happened? My friend came last night. Okay. And this application VS Code has opened on my PC. Okay, and he just checked out this, and friends' minds. If my friend is doing something, I'm gonna mess his work, and he just did what he want. He just typed, literally sit on my files, and look how much files he has made changes. Okay, he has made too many changes on my files. Okay, but he don't know use what I use. I use Git. And if you don't know about Git, Git is a version control, okay? And you can go back whenever or wherever you want to go, okay? If you have the screenshot of your projects or whatever you are working on. So basically, if I go on this file here, okay, if you're watching on vertical, maybe you can't see because the screen size is limited. If you want to see the whole screen, there is the available, you know, longer video. So you can just came on this videos. Okay, you can jump on this. And if you want to jump, either you can go from my channel. Yeah, you can come from my channel. Yeah, just tap on the icon below the name of my channel, and just you can came to the my, the longer video, the horizontal one. Okay, so basically he has done so many things. I'm gonna close these files because I'm gonna show you what changes does it does. He has changed 4 files. Okay, moreover, he has changed this thing. Okay, this thing I have added, but I'm going to delete it. He has changes here some random words. Okay, too many random words. Here also random words, And this file he has done a lot of things. Okay, he has done a lot of things. So basically, I have an option. Okay, I can revert all these things. Okay, whatever he messed up with my files, and I can go back where I was at the start. Look how. Here is my all files that has been changes, and there is a button that is called discard changes, that whatever changes had been made I can discard it. Okay, and if I go here and discard all changes, this will discard all changes and it is irreversible, meaning if I discard this, it cannot be re-discarded. Okay, I mean irreversible, it cannot be revert back. Okay, whatever I discard. So I want to discard because this file is literally worst. So I click this files and all my files has been back to my normal position where it was earlier. So if I goes here, look, no file has been modified right now. Every file is, you know, safe. That's what Git does. If you have a snapshot of your project, that means commit. If you have a commit, you can just change and go back to your commit and see what changes have you been made and what changes have you not done yet. And basically Git is a good thing. Okay, if you want to learn, there are many videos available on YouTube's and everywhere. You can just learn about it. Okay, so more about yapping. Okay, I have done too much yapping. Let's move on to the lesson. Okay, it's already have been too much time, and I don't want to waste time. Okay, so let's start the lectures. Okay, here are the lecture. I don't know how much you can see, but you can see basically in the center, and you can see too much of this. Okay, so today we are going to start the lesson number 15. You can say either lecture or lesson, it doesn't. Okay, okay, so lecture 15 topic is external libraries, MBC, finish the checkout page. Means we are going to learn some external libraries, what libraries are. I haven't know what libraries. I know a little bit about our libraries, but not too much. Okay, next is MBC, and still I don't know what that mean is. MBC, it can be anything. Okay, and finish checkout page. We have earlier done almost all the things of checkout page, but one thing is remain the we have done the order summary, but we haven't done the the money thing. Like we have to calculate all the money that are in your products and that are in your items. You have to calculate all the money, all the taxes, and all the shipment prices, and show you the all calculated result. That thing is still left to do. Okay, so here we are going to work on that. And so let's start on lecture number 15. And I should stop yapping. Okay, let's watch this video. Okay, and I am requesting to Super Simple Dev, if whenever if you find this video or find this live stream, please don't copyright me. Okay, I'm a student, I'm learning. Okay, you are a great creator that have been provided this video where I can learn so many skills, and your videos are too good, too awesome. And if any viewers are watching, watch Super Simple Dev videos. These videos are too worth it to watch. Okay, you get exercises, you get projects, you get all the things. What do you want? And even he suggests you what to next do, what you have to do. Okay, so please watch these videos. There are still available so many videos you can watch that, but I highly suggest these videos. Okay, okay, stop yapping, move on, start the lecture. Okay, I'm done with the talking. Let's start it. Okay, I have to do something. Okay, Okay, I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I haven't gone anywhere. I just have to some tricks a little bit things. Okay, that's why the screen changes. But I am back here. Okay, so let's start the video. Okay. Okay. Um, Here people what super simple dev says. Okay, he says that people usually put their JavaScript or maybe their little bit of codes on the internet, and we can use them from internet. Okay, that are called libraries. Ooh. Oh, that is something good. Okay, let's try it. So here is the link, and there are the external libraries. Okay, there are a lot of them, but okay, we are going to work on that. Unpackage library. Okay, so this is the library we are going to use. Okay, so basically to use this, we have to write a script. Okay, we can write it anywhere. So we are going to work on checkout. So let's work on checkout. And we are also going to open the checkout.html here, and at the bottom we need to add that script. Okay, so here we are going to add the script, and basically, oh, it's came here. Nice. Okay, so here we have to load the source, what source are from this script, and in the source section we are going to copy this URL of this, page. So basically this is the URL. I'm going to control C and paste it here. So this is the URL of that page, and what is going to do, this will bring all the code, okay, into our script, and we can use this code. So basically here is a hello function, okay, that console hello. So basically if we go to the checkout section, this is our JavaScript where this script will be going to work. If we go anywhere, okay, let's just go to the bottom and let's just call the hello function, because in this space there are no hello function. I'm gonna show you. Let's me control F and let me show you hello. There is no hello. Okay, there is no hello word. That means there is no function that has name hello. Okay, so if I go at the bottom and just add the hello function, okay, I mean call the hello function like this. And so basically what it does, it is going to call this function, okay, call this function from this script, and this script is going to load the code from this page. Basically this page, okay, this page has this function hello, and this is going to load into my script, and from there into my projects, into my JS file, and from there it will going to give the function call here, and it will give the value to my console. Let's check the console and let's find it out. It is working or not. Okay, so I'm going to open it with live server. Uh, white pages. I don't like, but okay. So, okay, we have to go to the checkout and what? What is going on? There is something that is causing some problems. Let me see what is going on. Like, why there is saying 100 products in the cart, but when I click it, there is nothing. Like, this is empty. What? Are you sure? Bro, check out. Hello. Okay, if I remove this file, does it work well? No, it doesn't. Oh my God. I hate this part. When I just started and the errors started coming over me. Like, what did I did here? Like, basically I did nothing. I have just pasted this script. Okay, if I remove this script, okay. So basically means I have nothing here, and still this is a problem here. Let me see. This is still the problem. Then what's going on? Oh my God. Ah, I don't like this. I hate this part. Is there anything on console? Like any error? There is not, no error. There is an error. Okay, finally I can work on that. Uncaught type error cannot read the properties of undefined reading image. Reading image. Check out that cheers 29. 29. Checkout dot 29. Matching cart item image. Why you can't read that? Check out where is the product? Here is everything good. What what is going on? Okay, let me think. Let me think. Matching cart image. Product ID contains nothing. Matching cart. Where is the matching cart? Matching cart is here. This is inside this function, so this should work. Okay. Product has image. Okay. Image, and it has been transferred to the matching card, and matching card is using this image. So it's the spelling mistake. No. Then what is going on? And is there any other problem? checkout dot 11 at 11 at 11 at 11. This is having problem to reading with cart, huh? Mm, like, oh my God. Okay, let me revert all these things. Ugh, my ears. Now everything is fine here. Let me open this again. I'm going to delete this one. And here, inspect. Okay, console, everything fine here. If I click, okay, quantity is increasing. Okay, but here there is still the problem. The problem is cannot read the properties of undefined reading image. Checkout.js at line 29. Array for each line 29. Like, how the hell did he not reading it all, man? What is the problem here? Look, the spellings are all correct, okay? There is no problem with the spellings. There is no spelling error. Okay, before that, if this is running, okay, here, okay, let me console log matching card dot image. So basically, it will provide me a string because in image there is a string. Okay, so does it providing it? Let me see. No, it doesn't. Now it has a problem with 19. This one that he says cannot read the properties of the image. Why can't you read the property of image? Okay, can you give me the property of matching card item? It's undefined. This is undefined. What? How can this is undefined? Man, how? And what is this? Product item, man. This thing, okay, there are too many things that has been formatted by the Prettier and I don't like this formatting. Okay, is the file names good? Good. Okay, cart item HTML is empty. It doesn't matter to there. Cart item. Okay, cart item. I have this cart item. So basically I have this cart. I'm importing from the cart. Okay, let me open the cart on the side. Cart is basically this time empty but not. It has 100 items. Okay, it has to show 100 items and cart for each. So basically for each object name I cart item. I have named it cart item. Okay, I have created a variable named matching cart item that will save the if we found the matching product ID that has been provided us so that the product, okay, products, there is a products that I am tracking from the product chase. Okay, there are the products and each products. Okay, and each products I have named it product. Every product has an ID. Nice. Product has ID that is also a string and cart item. Okay, cart item. Why I can't hover on cart item? And what about cart? Okay, it is showing me the product, but not the cart item. Why? I don't know. Okay, if we go in the cart, there is a product ID. Okay, and if I go there, there is a spelling product ID. Control C, so that Basically, most of the time, my problem is the spelling mistake, so I make sure that is correct. Okay. Okay, so this thing is wrong here. So let's do with cart item. What cart item has to offer me? Okay, this line just control X and cart item. Where can I get cart item? Okay, here. Let's paste this and see if I get cart item. Okay, I have cart item. ID 2. What? ID 2? Wait, what? Oh man, oh man. Now I understand what is going on. Basically, what has been done here? Okay, I'm gonna tell you. Okay, the thing is, last time when my friend came, he did something wrong on my PC, on my files. Okay, and on that time I was checking a product, new product that I have named ID2, and that product has been added to this checkout. Okay, and it has been saved in the local memory storage, and now it is trying to access this ID2 currently right now, and that ID I have removed. I have removed this ID. So that is what going on here. Okay, that why it can't process. So basically, I have to manually remove the card. Okay, so how can I do this? Okay, okay, let me make a function manually remove, not remove, manually clear storage. Okay, cart storage, not storage. Manually clear cart storage. Okay, basically I'm going to create a function that will clear the cart storage, and I'm going to run on that time when I am consoling anything, and when the cart is clear everything will be fine. So to clear the storage, local storage dot clear, and basically I need a key. So the key is saved cart item. So basically this is, and I'm going to export this one so that I can use on that area. Export. Okay, and manually clear this one. So enter, press V, control this one, and at the here I'm going to run this. Okay, so that will basically remove this problem. Oh shit, what I have done. My bad. I have to click on Amazon. Okay, so basically we have 0. Okay, and now the cart item has been removed, so I can remove this part. Okay, so it feels like nothing happened. Okay, I will leave this part. If in future I have to clear this again, so I can just use this function. Okay, so now if I going to add something, it will create this thing. Okay, nice. And if I go, okay, finally it is here. Okay, here. So it is working fine. Okay, I can see anything. I can delete if I want to. I can update if I want to. Okay, okay, it is working good. Nice. I should delete everything. Not everything. Let's just put two things. One, two, and one. Okay, three things. This thing will be fine. These are the default items. Okay. So I have wasted my 20 minutes on finding and fixing an bug that have been created by my friend. Basically by me, but I'm going to blame my friend. Okay, let's just move on. So what we are doing, okay, I am running this function. So basically on the checkout, did I have removed it? Oh shit, I have removed this. I should just comment it out, but okay, no problem. Script, let add the source file and let's copy the link here. Control C, Control V. Here is the link, and in the checkout, let's go to the bottom and let's run the function so that we can move on faster. We don't get, behind. Okay, let's just come to this part and refresh it so that everything is fresh. And here is the function running. That's a hello. Okay, so we have done the practical part. Let's move on to the video and continue where we left off. And let's start. Hmm. Whoa, what is this? Oh, TJS, okay. Whoa, what is this? Hmm. Hmm. Okay, oh, Monday, October 9. Okay, okay, okay. Let's try this out. I can remove this. Mm, so now the oh, okay. Never mind. We can use this one also. Why I'm feeling so sleepy? Okay, so use this, copy this. Let's come to our projects, come here and let's change this script because we don't need hello anymore. Okay. Mm, let's come to the checkout section. We are at the hello. Okay. Let's see first how does it look like day.js. That's the name of this day.js. Day.js. Yeah, right. So how does it work and how does this look? Let's check it out on our project. So here it is. Let me make bigger for you. Okay, this is fine. So here you can watch. We got so many things. Let me see. We got language English D. That means I think the formatting maybe. Saturday, December 20, 2025. This is the day, this is the month, this is the date, this is the year, and this is the actual time. Wow, we can get a time also. Indian Standard Time. Yeah, I live in India. That's right. Okay, so why that is 2025, for month that is 11, for date that is 20. And okay, the further on, date 20, H. What does it mean? H. Okay, maybe it is something, I don't know. Language English, month 11, week 6. Week? Okay. I got this. Week means like Sunday, Monday to test, and today is Saturday. Okay, this is the date, Saturday date, and this is the same time that is here. Is ob is day's object true? Okay, I don't know these values. Maybe it is something. Oh my God, what is this? Oh, these are functions we can use. Oh, these are the functions we can use. Local set add. Our teacher used the add function. Clone date, day, days in month difference. Okay, there are so many functions. Okay, let's see add. What is add? Length to name prototype. Damn, there are so many things. If you want to read, you can't just get understanding from here. That's why you read the documentation where they explain all the things in a very simple way. And I don't want to be just jump into this. Okay, we are going to do what we have tell us. Okay, what they asked to do us. So we are not going to do so much things. So basically, okay, to use this, let's save this into a result. Let's say const date equal day.js function, and that's it. And let's console this thing. Okay, make this down. And let's console the date. And I think we got the same thing because this thing doesn't return anything. Okay, the same thing. Yeah, I knew it. Okay, now we can add also, if you want to add, if you want to display something. Let's see how did he does. Okay, I want to see the function because okay, if I search, okay, let's search day.js documentation. Okay, here it is. Okay, why day.js 2 KB less JavaScript to download first and execute, leaving more time for your code. Simple day.js is a minimalistic JavaScript library that okay. Okay, thank you for this thing, but where are the functionalities that I want? Okay, here. Mm, mm, Get set display. Okay, there is the display. Once parsing or manipulating are done, you need ways to display. Oh, there is a format. Okay. Sorry. Okay, to display day.js, day.js. Okay. Current date is this. Okay, I don't know. Without fractions, seconds, example. Okay, day.js 2090 time dot format. Okay, get the formatted data according to the string of a token passed in. Okay, so basically means um, is this the example? Because this is the way you write. Okay, the day.js dot format, and inside the format in parameters you will say what type of format do you want. Here we say year 4y, that means 4y means 4 digit year, that is there 4 digit. And escape, what is the escape? Is there any escape? I don't know what is the escape. Okay, this will be something, but I don't know. Okay, here is the 4 2m means okay 0 to 12 2 digits. DD, that means date. I mean SUSA, that means two alphabets. Um, oh, this is the result. Oh my God, I'm so confused. Sorry, this is the result. That is nothing. This is I think this is showing that this is the real date and what's format is going to be come here when you type this thing. So basically, if you type anything, that will be came according like this, and if you go in the format, this will came to the format. And what is this? H. This is the time. This is the time. Okay. So this is the normal, and this is the normal. Okay. If I want to slash, I can go with slash. Okay. So okay. How should I show you? Okay. Let's just do this one. Okay. Here, 20 20 December 2025 Saturday. Okay. Let's try to do this one. JS dot should I save? Let's save this. Uh, today date formatted, formatted, format, format, format. Whatever. Today date is fine. Today date is better. Today date is display. Yeah, this is better. So days.js, and that will be format. This function is not coming to show us, but we know the format. Okay, everything in is small. Okay, so what we want, We want first the digits, two digits. That is not month. This is the digits. That is going to be the day of the month. Two digits starting with zero. I like the two digits. So let's go with should it. Okay, this is going to be in a string. So let's make the string here. Is this a small capital? Okay, small. Oh, sorry, capital TT space. We don't want anything. We want space full full month. Okay, full month means 4M. 1, 2, 3, 4 space, and that is the 2025 full year. Full year means triple Y. 1, 2, 3, 4 space, and we need the full Saturday. Okay, there are all the full 4D, 4 small d. Okay, these are the small ones. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now let's console this. Console.log today's display. Okay, let's see. Do we get the desired output that we want? Okay, we got the desired output that we want here. 20 December 2025 Saturday. This is exactly what we want. 20 December 2025 Saturday. Okay. Okay. And there is one thing if we want to increase the date. Okay, so let's say okay, here today date. Okay, not today date. We have to increase in the date, I guess. Let's say date add what we want to add. Um, like we want to add how many? What we want to add? We want to add days. So how many days you want to add? We want 4 days. Okay, comma. What is this? Date. Okay, days. So type days and just go back and let's see. So today is 20, 20 plus 4, 24. Let's see. Still 20. This thing doesn't work, I guess. Um, okay, let's go and check how we can add. Is there any add button, display query, plugins, customization, get plus set? This should be here. Let's say days, get set. Mm, days of the week, days of the year. Okay, get. No, 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 no. Um, oh, there is add. Okay, if I want to add something, day. Okay, day, only day, include only day, not days. Oh, b equal. We have to save in another variable, I guess. B is the manipulation result. Okay. Days, week, month, description, shorthand, D. Okay. Can I use shorthand like here they say days? Or alternatively, you can use duration to add day result. Days add duration. Okay. Let's see if I remove the where this thing goes. Come back here. Thank you, please. Okay, it has to be saved somewhere. Okay, so let's date equal. Let's do this and make this let. And let's see our checkout. Okay, it still haven't changed, so let's just make another variable, const new date. Okay, this should. Oh, my bad. New date. Should I new date? Okay, let's see new date. Wednesday. Oh, it has increases new date. Oh, it has increased. So basically, at here I should, if I look what I'm trying to do. Look, if I just remove this, okay, and change with new date. Okay, this should display the that what we want. Okay, 24 December, December 2025, Wednesday. Okay, nice. Okay, we get the thing what we want and we understand how it works. Okay, the more you practice, the more you know. Okay, so I know how to display, I know how to add a date, and that basically what we need in this exercise, in this lecture. And I will learn this about offline if I need. Okay, I will learn this documentation, and I want to try this shorthand. Okay, let's try the shorthand. Can we use shorthand? Only D. If this work, oh, it is working. It is working. I can use only shorthand, but the this one, clearly say what we are trying to do, and people maybe get confused what the D means. So using the full name, full unit is good practice, I guess. I'm thinking. Okay, so let's move on to the next thing. Oh, mhm. Ooh. Okay, you are about to learn some new JavaScript ESM version. Hello, ESM version. So before using it, we need to import it first. Paste this. So here we don't need to type any script format. That is actually good because we can use import on a single page and use that function on a single page. Nice. Why? Yes. I mean, both options are fine, if I say. Okay, from starting this one, I should catch up where we left. Okay, so let's go back. Here there are two ESM versions. Okay, we are going to use this one. These are the ESM version. Okay, and ESM version are good, but there is a problem that you are not going to find every libraries in ESM version. Okay, so we can come here and remove this script because we are using ESM version. In ESM version, we don't need scripts. We can just simply import this at the top. Um, can you go further down so that my import section can stay or hmm, okay. Um, import day.js from this link. Okay, basically what happening here, the day.js function, I means it's a JSM and is the default one. Okay, this is the default import we can say, where only one function can, or maybe one thing we can export, and this thing can be written without the curly brackets as a single one, and we can still use them. Okay, for example, we go to the utils, there we have, let's add export default change money. Okay, that's it. So basically this is the default one, and if we want to use here, you can just remove this brackets and this is going to still work. Let's see. And our money is conversion working good. And also our days are working good. Here we change the date earlier. So everything is working good. Okay. I can close this one and okay, let's move on to the next thing. Oh, delivery options.js. Hmm. I'm hungry. T T T T T for damn, this is going too much. Bro. Oh my God. I will try to do all these things, in the direct. If something goes bad, then I will generate a new HTML. Hmm. Oh my god, कोई भी नहीं है ना? I'm sorry, but I'm stopping this stream because I'm not feeling good. Sorry, guys.